Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to block unwanted email messages or email address on your Gmail account. And without further ado, let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a Gmail and then click mo lang tong Gmail account. And then dito sa ating inbox, and then select ka lang dito kung ano yung email messages na gusto mong i-block. Okay, so for example, open tayo ng another email messages. So click mo lang yan. And then kung paano ba natin ito i-block, so dito lang sa right side, i-click mo lang yung tatlong dot nito. So click mo lang yan. And then pop-up ito mga kaibigan ang kanyang settings. So select mo lang dito yung block. Okay, so click mo lang yan. And then block this email address. So click mo lang itong block. Alright, so email address block. Alright. So kung paano ba ito i-unblock, okay? So ang next step, dito lang sa upper right side, i-click mo lang tong settings. And then dito sa quick settings, and then i-tap mo lang tong see all settings. So dito sa see all settings, dito lang sa taas, and then select filters and block address. So click mo lang yan. Alright, so dito sa the following email address are blocked. So nandito yung blinak natin na email address. Andito siya itong. Okay, so paano ba ito i-unblock? So check mo tong box, and then pwede mong i-select tong unblock selected email address, or dito lang sa right side, i-click mo lang tong unblock. And then next, unblock this email address. So unblock mo lang, click mo lang yan. And then unblock email address, ito siya. Okay, so ganoon lang po ka-simply on how to block unwanted email messages in Gmail account. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.